Hi, my name is Diana and I'm from Spain. I have been living in the US for 26 years. When I meet people, a very common question that comes up is, what do you miss from Spain the most? I used to say, the people and the food. But 3 years ago, I discovered Thermomix and now I only miss the people because I can make every single dish with my Thermomix. Thanks to Thermomix, I can make gambas al ajillo, almejas a la marinera, croquetas, lentejas, judías, cocido, empanada, empanadillas, gazpacho, salmorejo, papas bravas, papas con mojo picón, arroz a banda, alioli, horchata, helado de turrón, arroz con leche, natillas, flan, tocino de cielo, brazo de gitano, tarta de Santiago, crema catalana, sangría. I can even make paella. Yes, I need the paella pan for the last 10 minutes, I know. But first, the rice is cooked inside the Thermomix. If you're from Spain, a Thermomix will help you when you're feeling nostalgic, it will help keep some traditions in your family, and it's super fun to host for friends and have them try a piece of your culture. If you're not from Spain, isn't it amazing that you could be cooking food from my country like any local would? I cook dishes from India, Korea, Mexico, Italy, when I feel like doing some gastrotourism in my own kitchen. I can make them in English or I can choose from 21 languages. Fancy, huh? I know.